Welcome to Art of Forex channel. In this channel we will talk about Forex trading. Please like and subscribe the video if you found this video helpful. Yesterday we have a very good setup on GBP/AUD. We got a sharp entry, float around 9 pips and the price go down 140 pips, and if you hold under today you will get 210 pips. Okay, let's switch to higher time frame. As you can see, there is a base drop and a huge drop. When we change to lower time frame, we saw a fake out setup. Right here we have a support, R1, R2. From that big supply zone, we want to scale down the size so that we can have a smaller stop loss. Let's switch to lower time frame. We can use a line to find significant support and resistance inside the base. There is lots of resistance right here at the same level. So our entry point will be 179,217, which will float around 3 pips and reward 200 pips. From the fake out area, retail traders will sell because there is a resistance. Lots of retail traders will sell right here. And their stop loss is above resistance a few pips. So the price really up, take out their stop loss to our entry point and goes down. When the price break the resistance, retail traders will enter buy instant, or they will wait for the price come back at the resistance to buy again. But the price instantly goes down. Today we have the same setup again, base drop with significant drop. We have a support area right here. The price broke the support. When the price came back, retail traders will sell there because the support has become resistant. But the price shot up, took out all the retail traders stop loss, and the price went back down